precious. Everyone's looking for presents. Lights all around and all the people have fun, but all I need is just you and I. Christmas is coming, you know it. When you hear the jingle bells ringing, lights all around and all the people have fun, but all I need is just you and I. Lights all around and all the people have fun, but all I need is just you and I. Christmas is coming, you know it. When you hear the jingle bells ringing, lights all around and all the people have fun, but all I need is just you and I. Trust me, because I will do it too. Someday, when winter says us farewell, you and I will find our holy grail. The new is coming, so we need to be prepared, right? Cause magic gonna happen to us on this night. It's time to make some present for someone and sing some Christmas song tonight and evermore and more. I know that you will have a party in your home for sure, that you will dance and laugh with all you care and love. So keep your wish until you let it go, and then continue having the best month of the year. Come on, it's midnight, let's party, come join me. It's midnight, let's party, come join me. It's midnight, let's party. Can be better than have fun. Trust me, it's things that are yet to come. This year will bring much better things and come. Trust me, because after dark comes the dawn. The new year's coming, so we need to be prepared for the ride. Cause
to make some pressure for someone and sing some Christmas songs tonight anymore. I know that you'll have a party at your home for sure, that you'll dance enough with all your care and love. So keep your wish until you let it go, and then continue having the best time of the year. Come on, it's midnight, let's party